welcome to Prime News. Now a look at the headlines. One more person arrested in Nigerian murder case. Police say rest of the accused by Sunday. Goa government faces lots of problems while deporting illegally staying foreigners. Goa lacks detention center, confirming identity a cumbersome task. Sense of fear and insecurity grips Indians residing in Nigeria. Around 35,000 Indians in Nigeria fear backlash after Goa episode. Hollywood actresses Sarah Sarandon and Michelle to open and close 44th IFFI. Panji to be embedded in northeastern flavor. Anil Kapoor and Kajal to be present for inaugural. Beware of daytime mosquito bites. Reports reveals 125 dengue cases in Goa this year. Dengue, one of the most fatal ailments. And Goan teams dominate invitational All-India meet. South Goa emerge overall champions at Inter-District Athletics Championship. Vasudev and Tanvi clinch individual titles. Now news in detail. In an important development, one more person has been arrested in Nigerian murder case. Rest of the accused are expected by Sunday. On the other hand, it will be a Herculean task for Goa government to deport illegally staying foreigners in Goa. There are hordes of difficulties slated ahead. Most importantly, there is no detention center in Goa for foreigners. Apart from this, police are trying hard to confirm the identities of those Nigerians having improper documents.
Nigerians' ugly spat with Goans rocked Parra, Porori and international embassies. A Nigerian's murder at Parra made his colleagues and entire Nigerian community in Goa violent. Their Rasta Roko at Porori highway rattled the entire system and administration on 31st October. Thereafter, Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar came out with a firm stand on the whole ruckus. He assured to deport all illegally staying and criminal Nigerians back home immediately. The number of Nigerians staying illegally in Goa may be in hundreds. But deporting such Nigerians is not as easy as it looks. There are a number of formalities. In addition, the legal side also has many loopholes which are time and again exploited by foreign nationals. Most importantly, Goa does not have a detention center required to deport foreign nationals. The faulty foreign nationals are kept in the detention center until their nationality and other vital information is confirmed. Sometimes accused foreigners are freed if their nationality and other details are not confirmed before the expiry of their police or judicial custody. Such foreign nationals are let free only because there is no detention center. 52 Nigerians were arrested after Parwari ruckus episode. Out of this 52, 34 Nigerians do not have proper documents. Lack of documents has made the things more difficult. It is difficult to identify criminal cases against these 34 Nigerians. Rest 18 Nigerians have documents. 4 out of these 18 are booked in criminal cases. But these 34 Nigerians will have to be released soon after their judicial custody gets over, as Goa lacks detention center. All these factors have made deportation of Nigerians more difficult. Our senior reporter Laukik Shilkar.
Nearly 35,000 Indians live in different parts of Nigeria. They have learned to be careful anyway because of frequent incidents of crime in many parts. But panic is gradually building up now after the Goa incident. The Mail Today report explains the state of Indians in Nigeria.
Most families learnt about a possible threat through Indian news channels aired in Africa. Phone calls from anxious friends and relatives back in India just got them on their guard. The Nigerian Indian story. Though there has been no official word of advice from the Indian High Commission, yet people in the community have started sending out text messages with email IDs to report to in case of any harassment. Also, immigrant officials interrogated 2 Indians on Thursday and everybody thought it was because of Goa incident. Rachna Mehta, living in Lagos for last 5 years. Another Indian staying in Nigeria explains the level of fear in their mind following tension in Goa. I called my friends in the neighborhood to check if it was safe to send our kids to school. They said we should not overreact. My son later told me the attendance in school was not affected. Girija Dar from Nigeria. The Indian language school in the city enrolls nearly 2,000 children from the community. Indians in Nigeria are now praying the warning is only a rumor. The text message that is circulating reads as follows. Dear friends, it has been observed that Nigerian police officials and immigration teams have visited various Indian origin businesses throughout the day and claim to have making this interrogation as retaliation for the fellow Nigerian murder incident in Goa, India, unlike their routine checks. After the murder of a Nigerian national in Goa's Parra last week, a consular officer has warned of a backlash on Indians in Nigeria if the eviction of Nigerians living in Goa did not stop. The Indian government has not yet acknowledged any danger to Indians there. Bureau Report, Prudent.
44th IFFI in Goa will host legendary Hollywood actress Sarah Sarandon as the chief guest for the inaugural ceremony. Hollywood actress Michelle will grace the closing ceremony of IFFI. Bollywood superstars Anil Kapoor and Kajol are also expected. Capital City will don the look of northeastern states. There will be no Thali girls for IFFI this year.
Every year, IFFI is labelled to be Bollywood affair, especially for opening and closing ceremonies. Bollywood celebs grace the occasions. This year, IFFI will glitter with Hollywood stars too. Renowned Hollywood actress Sarah Sarandon will open the 44th edition of IFFI, while Michelle Yeoh will attend the closing ceremony. A special section of northeastern states has been made for this IFFI. Panji will be embedded in the flavors of northeastern states for consecutive 8 days. The style, the culture and the essence of northeastern states will linger throughout Panji.
We would be having eminent filmmakers from that sector coming. There would be a formal opening on 22nd of the section. We would also have the Thangta dance. So that's a group that is coming. Besides this, we have about 8 separate groups coming. About 100 plus folk dancers coming to Goa. On Mandavi River, we will have 8 separate stalls, which will the handicrafts of these 8 states.
List of the celebrities confirmed for IFFI 2013. Asha Bhosle, Rekha, Kajol, Anil Kapoor, Kamal Hassan, Indrajit, Prithviraj, Pauli Dam, Kishore Kadam, Farooq Sheikh, Dipti Naval, Ananya Chatterjee, Purab, Kirti Kulkarni. This year IFFI will not have Thali girls. That concept has been completely scrapped. One of the invitees celebrity will hold the prestigious Thali during IFFI. A senior reporter Laukik Shilkar.
Beware if a mosquito bites you at daytime. It can be a dengue mosquito. Goa has witnessed rise in dengue cases. The data of health services shows that 125 cases of dengue have been recorded this year, which is higher than last year. There is no medication for dengue. Only prevention can help. As per the report, 1 person died due to dengue in Goa.
As per the data of the Department of Health Services, 125 cases of dengue have been reported in the state. Last year, only 39 cases were reported. However, 36 cases have been reported by October 2013 itself. Deputy Director of Health Services, Dr. Sachin Govekar informed that dengue mosquito breathes in clean and stagnant water also, even in water, in bathrooms and kitchens.
आता ही डेंग्यू प्रसरता कशी एका मनशा कडसून दुसऱ्या मनशाक जाल्यार ती एडिस इजिप्टी मॉस्किटो आणि ही मॉस्किटो क्लीन स्टॅग्नंट उदकान जाता आमी खावता पिता पळय त्या उदकान जाता आणि ते ल्हान कंटेनरारूच जाता चडशी ती दे विल प्रिफर टू ब्रीड इन बकेट्स दे विल प्रिफर टू ब्रीड इन some tank, overhead tanks, thrown away utensils in the garbage, clean, stagnant water.
Maximum 16 cases have been detected at Ponda and Madkai, Vasco 11, 9 in Kandolim, 8 in Chinchini, 7 cases in Aldona, Panji 4, and more in other parts of the state. Dr. Sachin Borkar informed dengue mosquito bites during the daytime and is very active mosquito which can bite 8 to 9 persons at a time.
It is a day biter, breeds in and around your house. So breeding आम्ही कमी करतले जाल्यार 8 दिसांनी एकदा 7 दिसांनी एकदा ड्राय डे म्हणटा तो करपाक सगळी आयदनां आमची उरकून भायर उडोवन पुसून काडपाक जाय. दिसाचे आमी तर आमकां मॉस्किटो चावून जाल्यार आमी प्रिफर करून जाय लांब हातीचे शर्ट घालप. ओके आमच्या घरांनी नेटिंग लावून घेवप.
Meanwhile, malaria cases have come down as compared to last year. This year, 1,285 cases have been reported till now, while last year it was 1,435. 12 cases have been reported of chikungunya, 3 cases of Japanese encephalitis, and 0 cases of filaria. Reporter Mahesh Gadi for Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.